Hi, I'm Betsy from Graco. I'm going to show you how to assemble the Graco Made2Grow Highchair. Before we start, make sure you have your seat base, 2 angled legs, and 2 legs connected with the footrest. Start with the seat base upside down and insert the angled legs here, lining up the guides and snapping the legs into place. Next, insert the legs with footrest here. Now let's attach each of the ends of the highchair legs to 2 of the middle legs. Now we'll snap in the front and back legs. Make sure to attach the wheels to the legs with the footrest. Next, we'll attach the seat back. First, unbuckle the 3-point harness. Now grab your seat back, squeeze the recline handle, and slide the seat back into the base. Next, pull the waist and crotch straps through the seat pad. Then, attach the elastic to the hooks on the bottom of the seat like this. To attach the tray, squeeze both handles on the bottom of the tray, or press the button on the middle of the tray and snap it into place. To use as an infant highchair, simply recline by squeezing the handle on the back of the seat. To use as a baby highchair, adjust the seat back to an upright position by squeezing the recline handle. Now your Made2Grow highchair is fully assembled and ready to use.